Ever wonder how they take those wonderful light painting shots at night? Well, wonder no more.
Welcome to Canon PowerShot Pro Tips. I'm George Evans. Today, we're going to show you how light painting is done using the Canon PowerShot S110. The S110 is excellent for light painting because of its low light superiority that delivers clear and captivating images.
Okay, let's start with step 1. Prepare your equipment. You'll need the S110, sparklers, and yes, a lighter or some matches to light them up. Different colored LED lights, a flashlight, plus you need a tripod. Next, you need to be at a dark outdoor location. Avoid street lights or find an empty area with very little light, like our location here. Next, secure the camera on a tripod to keep it stable. Now, let's choose the camera settings.
Here to assist us is my friend Misa. Now, shift your camera to manual and set the shutter speed to about 6 seconds. I'm also using f5.0 and ISO 80.
Do take note that the PowerShot S110 has a really bright f2.0 with up to ISO 12,800, so you can have dramatic shots with shallow depth of field. Let's compose our shot. Using autofocus in the dark is hard, so we'll shine a flashlight onto Misa so our camera can focus better. Now let's switch to manual focus so your camera will not refocus once you've turned the flashlight off. We move to step 6. Enable the self-timer. Set it to about 2 seconds to prevent camera shake. Now we shoot. All set? Let's paint! Next, let's use the LED lights. Now, I'm going to turn you into an angel. Let's see how it went. If your photo looks too bright, use a faster shutter speed. Or if it's not bright enough, slow it down. These look fantastic, right?
This has been another episode of Canon PowerShot Pro Tips featuring light painting. Start shooting your light painting today and submit it to us. If we like your photos, you may see them on our Facebook page's Wall of Fame for the whole world to see. Now how cool is that? I'm George Evans. See you next time.